Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can access or find your text presets on CapCut PC. So let's get started. Before we continue, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. It's completely free, but it really does help out the channel. And now let's continue. So once you open up CapCut, to find your text presets or your text templates, you would need to go to Text, then click on Add Text, then go to Presets, and then to find your presets that you previously saved, you would need to click on Templates right here, and then select your space. Now on your space, all of your presets that you made previously should be saved right here. From there you can just select them and just put them in your video. And that's guys how you can find your text presets on CapCut PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.